Well, hey folks, how's it all going? And welcome back. And you're going, what is that, Tom? Oh, we got a new grill, folks. This thing, I'll tell you what, I am so excited about this. I've been looking at other ones, these extreme temperature. And when you say extreme temperature, you're saying, Tom, what were you talking about? Well, let's take a look at the backside. 1500 degrees searing heat is what they're saying. So there's a couple of these out here, and I'll show you to them on Amazon. One's called the Beefer, and some of these go over $1,000. Some of them right around the $600. This one, 120. I couldn't pass it up. I just couldn't pass it up, folks. So if this does what it says to do, this would be the ultimate searing of any kind of steak. 1500 degrees. Wow. So I tell you what, let's get it out of the box. Let's take a look at some of the other alternatives to this that are shaped like this and do the same thing for a heck of a lot more money. And of course, you know we're going to grill on it, and I'm going to show you, does it really get to 1500, and will it really sear a steak like they claim it can? Keep on watching. All right, folks, so there it is out of the box. I tell you what, $112. You can't, having a hard time believing this. This thing is pretty cool. It is stainless steel, like I said. I don't know what kind of quality. It's not thin gauge. You can see it's pretty thick stuff there. It's got on the inside there, you can see the burner up on top. Obviously, we're going to try this out. It's got a stainless steel cooking surface here. It's got a drip tray. It's got an instruction manual. It's got a little device here to take your stuff in and out. Whether you're obviously you're not going to be touching it when it's 1200 degrees hot. On the back side, you've got has electronic start. It did not come with battery. I had to put one AAA in there to start it. It's just a matter of turning it, and it goes from high to low and all that good stuff. It's got your standard hook up, nice long hose. I'm going to put this on a metal table. And remember, this is for outside. They're not really saying, but this is not something you're going to do, in the house. And that's the wording there is little steakhouse quality cooking at home. Boy, oh boy, that's just not for in the house. This is for outside. So you want to take a comparison here. Let's see if I can get this to refresh real quick. Of course I can't. There we go. So this is sorry for the shadows there, but you can see here's some of the comparisons here. There's an Infernal that's $500. Here's another one, the Beefer. That's the one that's been around for a long time. That's $700. Here's another one that's Z Pro $239. None of these come close to this. And then you get some ones that are really expensive in the $2,300, $2,400 range. That's wow. That's pretty pricey. So to get into this and to try this out for just a little over $100, in my opinion, is well worth it. So next things, we're gonna open up that instruction manual, see what we gotta do. If we gotta do a burn-in, I'm sure we gotta do something. Get it outside. I'll tell you what, next time you see it, she should be fired up. All right, folks, I've had the Caveman here preheating in about 5 minutes. I was gonna show you how hot it is, but when I put it on there, well, 990, there we go. 990 we're up to, and then we go in further and I get OH, which is overheat. So it only goes up to 1,000. So right at the leading edge here, we're in the 900s. As you go back further, then we're overheat. So we're over 1,000. Like I said, it gets up to 1,200 degrees. I got two nice little chuck eye steaks, butcher cut, that I'm going to put on there. So stay tuned. We'll get those on. All right, just put the steaks on, folks. You get a little bit better idea how that's going on. And I'd say there's not just one setting on this. It's from high to low. And here, I can show you here. Just keep watching. And I can turn this. I can turn that flame down. I think you can see the difference in there. But anyway, we'll keep going, give a couple more look-sees as we proceed. So far, so good. All right, 1,200 degrees. It doesn't take long. The other side, I flipped it. I did go down one more notch. Like I said, I'm learning how to cook on this thing. I've never cooked on one of these before. So far, pretty cool. All right, there's another like a minute and a half. I like this holder because it really gives you control. And you can see what's going on there with the steak. I'm going to probably just put it right back in. And we're going to keep on going on the second shelf there. Oh boy, got to get in the second shelf. There we go. drip tray down below. It's picking up all the juices too. All right, we'll take one more last look, see before I finish them up. If you're wondering what the temp gets like on the sides and that, I just shot them, and the sides are getting close to 200. The top is must have some insulation up there because it was only getting to about 202. I thought it'd be a lot hotter up on top, but it's not something you want to have little kids around. You definitely could get burned on it. Let's take one last look here. It's a nice looking steak. So we'll finish these up and then give you a look, see when they're plated up. All right, first time cooking steak, and like I said, I didn't really get the best cut of steak, but let's take a look, see, shall we? Probably overdone. Oh, no, they're not. That's a medium, maybe even closer to a medium rare. Very bad. So, excuse me. You're wondering where I got it from? I can't get it to download, but it comes from a website. It comes from a store. If you're from the Midwest, you know what Menards is. It's like a Home Depot or a Lowe's. And they sell it online. I'll try and leave the link to it in the comments section. So if you're interested in one of these, you can go over to Menards online and pick one up. They're in the Midwest, I believe Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa. And that's that. So I'm gonna go back to eating my my chewy steak here. It's chuck eye roast steak. What do you expect? But this thing's pretty impressive, and I didn't want to waste a good cut of meat on there because I didn't know how it was going to turn out. So I'm going to use that again. I can see doing some pork chops on there. Oh man, think about how fast pork chops would cook at 1200 degrees. That would be super fast. But remember, you can do it lower too, so you can get it down to that 700, 800. I didn't see how low it could go. Plus, you can adjust. You can see all the different levels. You can put the grate on, so you can go different levels for the grate too. So stainless steel construction, and folks, for 119 bucks, that ain't bad. Hope you enjoy this, Tom Horseman. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, appreciate you watching. Thank you.